will fly.
Welcome back to another video on Crestfield Farm. This one's episode 4, season 1, I believe. So today on the farm, start off with we've got the farm manager's Land Rover on the trailer, and he's just taking Mass Ferguson 135 off for a service. The yard's had a bit of a sort out, you can see there. Over here, the man's just here with the muck spreader and the fertiliser spreader, and he's just pressure washing them both off. All of the silage kit's parked up after being used in the last field. The TW20 has come back from being fixed up. The 3140 and 3650 are just parked up in the shed over there. Over here in the shed, JCB, combine, they're parked up, as well as the 6920S, 6250R and 8345R. Nothing much going on in this yard here. You come across here, the 7530 is just parked up there. We're going to get a John Deere man out to check it out, as it's been having some problems lately. The New Holland balers just parked up. The silage trailers are also gone off to the dealership to be serviced. The neighbour's 8430 RT is here, and they're just asking him whether they can borrow it for harvest to go on the grain car. Cultivator and grain trailer are in there, parked up. And over here we've got the 5820 on the Coon hedge cutter. It's just going to go mow some verges up near the farmhouse. And in here we got the David Brown 996 on the scraper, and it's just scraping out the manure because the cows have moved up to a smaller paddock. And the 7310R is collecting it just at the end of the ramp here and piling it up over in the manure canal. These fields, not much going on, they're just letting the grass regrow for second cut. And lastly up here, we've got the Land Rover and horse box are parked up. Not much action going on at the horse stables. Roller and the trailer are there. They've taken the log splitter down to the yard to get serviced. And lastly, the Ford 6000 is on the New Holland square baler, and it's just baling up hay, which is going to be fed to the horses. So thank you everyone for watching. If you did like the video, please do leave a like down below and comment if you have any questions. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Everyone means a lot. So thank you very much guys again, and I'll see you in the next video.